I'm Adam Walker, Product Manager for Finning UK and Ireland. I'm responsible for engine, drivetrain and rebuilds within the construction industry. Today we're at our Leeds facility, one of 5 of our rebuild centres in the UK and Ireland. This is where we perform machine and component rebuilds. Currently we have 5 offers for our rebuild packages. The top level is a CCR, which is a CAT certified rebuild. This involves taking the machine down to its bare chassis, thoroughly inspecting all components and rebuilding up to CAT specification. The next level down is a CPT, which is a certified Powertrain Rebuild. This takes all the major components out of the machine, for example, engine, transmission, axles, torque converter, and they're sent away for recondition and bring back up to CAT specification. The next level down is a CPT plus hydraulics, so exactly the same as the CPT, but plus hydraulics. So this is where we'd cover all the pumps, motors, hydraulic cylinders, everything involved with the hydraulic system, which would then be reconditioned back up to CAT standards. The next level is a CMCR, which is a Certified Machine Component Rebuild. This takes one of the powertrain components out of the machine for recondition, for example, engine or transmission or one of the driveline units. So the last level is a DR, which is a dealer rebuild. These are more for value repairs, such as an engine top and tail or a fuel system overhaul. This showcases we have multiple options and it's not one size that fits all with our rebuild packages. So we base it on the customer requirements. A CAT machine is designed to be rebuilt. So prior to a machine coming in for rebuild, we'll gather some data from our GPS telemetry system, which is machine hours and fuel burn. Based on that information, we'll send one of our field service teams to site to carry out a TA2 performance inspection. This is an in-depth inspection which will thoroughly test all the major components, which will give us a good indication of the machine condition. Coupled with that, we'll take samples of all the major components, which will be sent away to our fluid analysis lab. They'll be inspected and checked for condition and feedback any concerns regarding them components. So when the machine arrives at one of our rebuild centres, the machine goes through the wash bay, which will be extensively washed down so it meets our contamination control guidelines. The machine then is inspected, which is a visual free inspection that we offer, and then this will find any additional work that we can discuss with the customer. So the machine then will be brought into the workshop, where it will be thoroughly disassembled with all the major components taken out the machine, so the engine, transmission, torque converter, differentials, wheel stations or axles. They'll be sent across to our component rebuild workshop where they'll be reconditioned to CAT standard. Other areas that will be rebuilt would be the radiator package, but the actual cores itself will be sent away for pressure test and clean for reusability. As part of our certified rebuilds, we offer EPP, which are extended protection plans for our customers. These come in various lengths and with the hours usage of the machine. This instills confidence in our customers of our aftermarket support and also the technical experience of our field service teams.